Okay, so I've been making these tamales, and what I basically do is I lay them out and I continue to make them. I lay them out. You can also double up the corn husk, and I immediately put them in the pan. And then what we do is basically put it in the refrigerator or the freezer right away, and package them up and put them in the freezer raw. And that's a good way to make these tamales. This is my my picadillo, my pork picadillo. It has a lot of peppers, and the nice thing about the well, and it's not spicy. It's got more flavor than anything. So so peppers can act as a kind of like a preserver, and that's from my experience of making them for so many years. But this is a large batch that I'm making, and I thought I'd share that with you to see the process of making the tamales. And if you're making them by yourself, which I do, and I say I'm going to quit every year, but I love bringing my mother's tradition and my grandmother's tradition and keep their memories alive. Okay, happy holidays, and I'll talk to you soon.